Calling for stalling this criminal assault, imperialist assault on Venezuela and the entire Latin American region has become put into unrest. We demand workers unitedly continuously raise their voice of protest against the imperialism and the imperialist-backed neoliberal capitalist order, who are committing crime on the people, crime on the society, crime on the nation. Comrade, with this, Comrade Hemlata will address.
Comrades, there is nothing to address, but Trump has claimed that he is working for peace. We has claimed that he stopped 8 wars between different countries. But today we see nakedly the picture of US imperialism. He has not only attacked Venezuela, he was planning to attack Iran, he has attacked Syria, he has attacked Lebanon, and he is supporting the Israeli war on Palestine that we all know. So this, we have adopted a resolution on the Israel-Palestine issue, and also we have adopted. And we also have seen the attitude of our BJP government at the center, the Modi-led government, how they are capitulating to US pressure, how they have been not reversing the stand on Palestine in different UN General Assembly and other meetings. So all these things we have to link up and expose US imperialism and the kowtowing of the Modi-led BJP government to US imperialism. We have to go to the people, explain, as Comrade Tapan has said, about the neoliberal policies and how, for grabbing the natural resources of Venezuela and other parts of the country, other parts of the world, US imperialism is attacking the different countries and also attacking the people, common people and their rights. So now it is not just adopting resolutions. We have to put into action, as we have already decided, immediately, if possible. You please communicate to the district committees and to the lower level committees at different places, in as many places as possible, at the village level if possible, or at least at the block level, district level, workplace level. At different levels, demonstrations should be spontaneously held today, or if not possible, tomorrow at the earliest. So this will be the start of struggle against imperialism from this conference, and in the coming days we have to intensify that, along with the struggle against neoliberal policies and the BJP's communal RSS agenda, Hindutva agenda, and also linked to other communalism. We have to intensify. That will be the call of our conference. With these words, I just again appeal to you to put all our cadres into action immediately against US imperialism. Thank you.
Comrade, just I want to say you within a few seconds. You have heard.